Starting a freelancing business with zero investment is possible by following these simple steps. Number 1. Identify your skills. Focus on the service you can offer, like writing, design, or web development. Number 2. Build a portfolio. Create personal projects to showcase your skills and share them on platforms like Behance or GitHub. Number 3. Join freelance platforms. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find your first clients. Number 4. Set your rates. Research industry rates and set prices that reflect your expertise. Number 5. Promote for free. Use social media, cold emailing, and networking to reach potential clients. Number 6. Use contracts. Protect yourself with basic agreements for each project. Number 7. Track your finances. Use free tools like Google Sheets or Wave to manage your income. Stay patient, keep learning, and network consistently. This will help grow your freelancing career over time. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips.